Hi, this video is intended to show you how to post an ad on Wedslist. Now first you log on to wedslist.com and then you click the second tab, which is the post ad tab, and that'll take you to the area where you select your category. So for this demo we're going to choose other, and this takes you to the area where you actually create your ad. Now the first line just tells you again which category you're posting to. If you need to change category, just click there. It'll take you to the previous page you were at and you select the proper category. Now one thing to keep in mind, make sure you're posting to the correct city for your ad. You don't want to be in Chicago and accidentally be posting your ad to St. Louis. Next they have red starred next to the different sections, and whenever there's a red star there, that means that portion of the posting is required. You have to input something. So first it's an ad type. Typically it'll be offering is what you'll choose, like if you're selling something, but if you're looking for something you may want to just click want and when you're posting your ad. Next is title. For this we'll just type in Wedslist demo. You can type in whatever you want, and then you don't have to put in a price, but it's recommended you do. And below that you have the description. So this is where you describe everything about your product or service. So you put that there. And then for some cities you can select an area. For this one we'll just choose the city of Chicago. Put in the zip code. And then below that we have Google Maps. So this is good because it can give the buyers out there kind of an idea where your item or service is located. So depending on where they live, if it's convenient for them or near them or just where they would have to go. So you click on that, you pick a spot, and then you'd have to type in your email. Now after that we have one feature, you probably imagined we'd have is for photos, but right before that and right before we get into that, we actually have a video link. So you can actually upload a YouTube video into your posting. If you can use that for your item or service. So basically what you'd do is you'd be on YouTube, and after you watch a video you'll see how they have the URL or the embed tag to the right. Always use the embed tag for your posting on Wedslist, and all you have to do is just highlight it, copy it, and then just paste it right in the video link, and it's good to go. Now going into the photos, on Wedslist we allow up to 2 photos per posting, and it's pretty simple with what you do, but a couple things to keep in mind are a couple tips. Remember that your video needs to be in JPEG format. And also we recommend that you use a 400 by 300 size picture. If it gets too big, you'll receive an error message. And another way you could receive an error message if you accidentally hit upload image before actually putting a photo in. So just to kind of show you what would kind of happen or something similar, if you had too large of a picture or if you accidentally just hit upload image, you receive your error message. And what we recommend you do is go up to your description, because you're going to have to recreate your posting, and I'd copy your description because usually that's what you're going to spend most of your time on, and it's going to be most time consuming. So you want to copy that first, and what you'll have to do is refresh the page, and it kind of wipes the slate clean so you can start over and try putting your picture in again. But then right away you would paste in your description, then you would go along and put in your title and everything else, and then add in your picture. Now just to save time, I actually had another one ready to show you. Once you are ready to put in your picture, you would just click browse. But before I get into that, I will show you the best way or the way I am able to resize a picture. So this picture right now is actually very big or very large. It will actually bring up an error message. So what I do is I right click on it and I hit edit. And this may not work for everyone's computer, it just depends on what type of programs you have or the computer, but this works well for me. And to the right there's kind of like an edit picture area, and I'll click on resize, and then I'll go to custom width and height, and I'll choose 400, by 300, which is, like I mentioned earlier, what we recommend. And I'll just click OK, and it'll change the size of my photo to a 400 by 300. And I'll just click Save, and I can exit out, and it's ready to go. So then when I click Browse here, here's my newly sized photo, and click Open, and then I upload the image. Now, like I mentioned before, this would have been too big. It would have caused an error message, but now it uploaded correctly. And if you had another photo, you just click Add Photo and do the same thing. Now, once you've done that, you can click Preview/Post Your Ad to see a little quick preview. And once it loads, once you look at it, you can see everything: the title, the price, the area, zip code, the map, and again, you have your description down here. And there's your YouTube video, and then your picture. If it all looks good to you, you go ahead and post your ad. And if you want to make some changes, last minute changes, you can click to modify, and it'll take you to the previous screen. So you click Post Your Ad, and what'll happen is you'll receive a message: thanks again for posting on Wedslist, or thanks for posting. And what it'll do is it'll send an email to you, and it looks kind of like this. And you just go into your email, and once you open it, you'll just click this link, and the posting will be live on the website. But also keep this email, because if you ever want to amend or delete your ad, you'll just click on this link. But both these come very handy. Even if you, right before you activate it, you want to update it, you can use that link. And that's basically it. Once you activate the ad, it's going for 60 days or whatever duration of time we have for it. And hopefully you get a bunch of people contacting. So thanks again.